Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will be deliver a lecture on what is biology and discuss its importance. First of all, come to the board and see the situation. Bio means life and logy means discussion. So the study of life is called biology. The main branches of biology is two, namely zoology and botany. The study of animal is called zoology, while the study of plants is called botany. The zoology and botany divided into other branches, namely microbiology, biochemistry, and industrial biology, morphology, entomology, ecology, and physiology. There are so many branches of the biology, and every branch has their own function for the development of life. So now you are clear what is biology. If you go to your village, you will see so many living organisms there. There are plants, there are animals, there are flora and fauna, there are human beings. These are links with the biology, because the biology is the study of living organisms. If there are some disease occur in the area, this is the role of the biologist to solve the problem. If there is some mishappening occur in birds, so this is the role of the biologist to how control the virus and protect the poultry birds. Similarly, you have observed all the world some problem. Sometimes the problem of crops occur, and sometimes the problem of animal occur, and sometimes the problem of human are occur. Human is a great creature. इसको हम अशरफुल मखलूक़ात कहते हैं. ये जितना मतलब सिस्टम है ये अल्लाह ने इंसान के लिए पैदा किया है. तो हर तरफ ये सारी मतलब जो एनिमल है जो भी है ये इंसान के लिए फ़ायदेमंद है, और अल्लाह ने ये सारी चीज़ें इंसान के लिए पैदा की है. सम प्लांट्स प्रोवाइड फूड टू द पीपल ऑफ दैट and solve the problem of the food crisis. If you go here and there, in that area you will see different plants. There are melia, there are poplar, there are mulberry, and there are weeds, maize, and rice. So these are linked with the botany, and they are the living organism and the branch of biology. But on the other side, if you see, there are so many animals. This is called fauna, flora and fauna. Flora mean plants and fauna mean animal. There are so many type animal are living in that area which are beneficial for the human being. But some animal are not beneficial for the human being. So now you are clear. First, what is biology? Bio mean life and logy mean discussion. The discussion about life is called biology. So biology linked with anything which have life. If there in day-to-day life you will see so many life type things. There are mosquito, there are butterfly, and there are other animal you will see. Some are beneficial and some are non-beneficial. If you see to the honeybee, they are beneficial. They provide honey to the human community. There are silkworm. They are beneficial for the human society. There are buffalo. There are goats. They provide milk and meat to the community. So they play some service for the humanity. So the human being try how to solve this problem, and the study who do this is called biologist. There is economist. There are all other scientists are present in the area. Some belong to pathology and some belong to other branches of science. So biology play a great role. This is the biology. which solve the problem of the human being. If some mishappening occur, the biologists come out and they try how to solve it. And those are only the code errors in the China. And the all world biologists come out in the field and they try how to make the vaccine. They have made the vaccine and they have uh, ended this problem. Nowadays, every country has some quarantine, and with the help of quarantine, they control one disease to other area. So quarantine play a great role in the development of a country. But sometimes they not follow the rule of the quarantine. And because of this, in one country or other country, some disease occur. So their disease then not possible to control, and they spread in the whole world, and they kill is like quite. Those are unnis, so many people. So this is a very interesting story. The germs develop in China and then they spread to other countries of the world and they infect so many people. So therefore, it is the duty of the biologist to work how to protect the area, what type of quarantine is necessary to apply for control of these disease. So now we try and come to the board and explain these things again. What is biology? Bio mean life, logi mean discussion and its importance. First of all, introduction. Bio mean life and logi mean discussion. So the study of life is called biology. The main branches of biology is two, namely zoology and botany. The study of animal is called zoology. One, the study of plant is called botany. The zoology and botany divided into other branches, namely microbiology, biochemistry, industrial biology, morphology, entomology, ecology, physiology. So many branches of the biology are there. Some lying with the plants and some lying with the animals. Now come to the importance of biology. Here biology plays a great role in the development of a country. This is biology which is used in health sciences. ऑलरेडी आपको पता है कि बायोलॉजी हेल्थ साइंसेज में ज़्यादातर यूज होता है एंड दिस इज बायोलॉजी विच आर यूज इन एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर ऑलरेडी यू हैव नॉलेज that this is biology which use are in agriculture science. In agriculture science you have also discussed the photosynthesis. There the sunlight fell on the plant leaf and there some carbon dioxide and water are present and they react with each other and they make the carbohydrate. So, the biology also used in industry for making different products. There's some bacteria play a role and they make from the milk the curd. So, this is also very important thing and they use in the industry. They use this type material there and they convert the milk into curd and the people then eat. So these are discussions show that biology play a great role in the development of a world. So it is the duty of the student to study the biology, go to field, identify different living organisms, and then also write on its benefits and disadvantages. For example, if you go to rural area, district Mardan, so in the surrounding area, different animals you will see. There will be sheep, there will be goat, there will be buffalo, there will be cow, and there will be other animal. So these animals provide some benefit to the community. Therefore, it is necessary of the government to start some project in that area and improve the situation. For example, if there are some hills and there everything is over, there is water and there also the fodder are available. So this is the government duty to rear what the sheep and goat there. So in some area you will see some other plants which provide oxygen to the community, and they also provide the shade to the community, and they decrease the temperature and time of the summer season. So it is necessary for everyone. There will be a law branch. In the law branch, exercise these things, what are beneficial and what are non-beneficial. There will be biologists, and the biologists, when we do the experiment, the help of the experiment, they will know that what is beneficial and what is non-beneficial. So therefore, it is necessary for the biologists to go here and there in the area and identify the plants, identify the animal, which play a great role for the development of a country, and also see to some situation either when we rear these things here, automatically what happens? There is an area of Sarubi. In Sarubi area, there are some plants. In these plants, some bird, the community have flown away. So these birds then grow and they multiply the number. There are so many birds you will see, and the hunter come and will do some hunt. But sometimes the hunter totally kill the birds, so it is dangerous. In some area you will also see the stream. In stream there are fish, and when we put some variety of the fish, automatically there some fishing will be reduced. It plays a great role for economic development of the country. The people of that area will rear these fish, and then they will snatch it, and they will use for the food. There will be very cooking places, and from all sectors the people will come. So this area, people will economically will develop. So this is the duty of the community as well as of the government to combinedly they protect the animal and they protect the fish which are living in the street. So there are birds. So you will, it is the duty of the community to protect the life of the birds, wild birds, as well as there are some plants that people cut it and they play a great role in medicine. So this is the responsibility of every government to go here and there in the area and check the situation, what type of plants are there, what are beneficial and what are dangerous. So do the research, and through research find the medicinal plant which are used for health sciences. So now I want to conclude this lecture. My name is Dr.Naushad and belong to Agriculture University, Peshawar. I have published so many papers. I am the rare scientist. I know better. I have also studied the biology, and I have also studied the other subjects which play a role for the development of a country. There is chemistry, there is biology, there is physics, and there is botany, there is zoology. So this is the responsibility of the government to give some fund to those people. They start the research in that area, and through this way they will innovate new things, and it will play a great role for the development of a country. Pakistan Zindabad, Agriculture University Zindabad, Ideas Department Zindabad, Dr. Naushad Khan Zindabad.